to whispers. Okay. Mm, this is good. It is good. It's a step in the right direction. Yeah. So Alaafin speaks on insecurity, constitutional amendments, and state policing. Those are the identifiable um challenges we're facing right now. So yeah, let's find out. Mm. The Alaafin of Oyo, Oba Lamidi Adeyemi III, has urged the residents of Oyo State not to put the blame of the security challenges being experienced in the state on the shoulders of the governor, Seyi Makinde. The first-class monarch said this at a meeting of the Oyo State Traditional Council of Chiefs and Security Agencies organized by Governor Makinde at Oyo State Secretariat in Ibadan. The monarch in his speech praised the efforts of the governor in combating the tides of insecurity sweeping every corner of the state, but emphatically stated that the Nigerian constitution is a handicap to every effort being made by the governor and others. He said, "Our governor is really doing everything he can to battle these security challenges, but according to the Nigerian constitution, the security sector is under the exclusive list which belongs solely to the federal government. So on security matters, the governor can only try his best, but he is handicapped by the constitution unless the federal government gives a mandate. Governor Makinde can set up a wonderful security edifice, but the Constitution of Nigeria will not allow him to achieve the goal of an improved security architecture. The governor cannot give an instruction to the police unless the federal government gives approval. If the federal government orders the police not to act on what the governor said, they have no choice but to obey the federal powers." But it's even better coming from you. That shows that you know what is going on. That is the more reason tá a ṣe ní láti dá dúró ká wà ká ṣèjọba títí wa fún wa, a government of the people, for the people and by the people. Let's not deceive ourselves. The army is not under the command of the governor. Okay. Alaafin lamented the security situation in the state, especially in the Baba zone. He added that despite the efforts being made by the traditional rulers in each zone to ensure the security of the people, every suspect arrested by vigilantes employed by the traditional rulers were later released by the police. He said it's unfortunate this meeting was made public, as there are things we traditional rulers present here have to say that has to be said in private. Tó túmọ̀ sí pé kì í ṣe gbogbo aṣọ làásà lórùn. Àti pé ohun tágbàlagbà fi ń jẹ̀kọ abẹ́ ewédú. Kábíyèsí kò sí jàǹbẹ́. Tọ́wọ́ bá ti pa, tẹ́sẹ̀ bá ti pa, ẹ̀yin àti àwọn ẹlẹgbẹ́ yín àtàwọn gómìnà wa ẹ lè ṣèpàdé. Ẹ lè ṣèpàdé náà. Ẹ lè ṣèpàdé ìdákọ́ńkọ́ kò tí ì bàjẹ́. Ẹ lè gbé ìgbésẹ̀ yẹn. Nǹkan tá à ń sọ ẹ ti dìde ń sìn. Action. Action I need. We, the traditional rulers, are stakeholders when it comes to security. In our regions, zones, farm, our wives are being murdered, our children are being raped and killed. Our people are the ones being killed, and we can't flee to Ibadan in search of protection. Everybody is feeling the heat. That's good. Now steps will be taken. Actions will follow. We are excited the actions. So, due to my radical view, Omalabi, Ebolari, Okaji, due to my radical view, I wouldn't be able to say much. If I should read the note I prepared for this meeting, it might cause uproar. Wọ́n ló lè lànà o. Wọ́n ní táwọn bá ní káwọn kàwé táwọn kọ, ó lè lànà. Anyway, 70% of all farmers in Ibadan land have abandoned their farms. I have here with me the record of all those that we have had to pay ransoms to free from the den of these kidnappers. We have vigilantes in the forest, and we have to always buy food items for them with our own money. Whenever we raid our forests and apprehend these kidnappers and miscreants, we hand them over to the police. The most surprising thing is that by the third day, we would find these same kidnappers that were handed to the police on the streets and in the forest. I will give this report to the governor. I want him to investigate the police anti-kidnap unit in Ibadan and verify which of these kidnappers we handed over to them have been prosecuted or sent to jail. Kábíyèsí ẹtúkà was saying ní ti mẹ́tí ní kò sí nǹkan kan tí gómìnà lè ṣe, kò sí nǹkan kan táwọn ọlọ́pàá lè ṣe tí àṣẹ ò bá ti wá látòkè sókè lẹ̀ expect pé kò ṣe. Wọ́n lè ṣe nǹkan kan náà. Wọ́n lè ṣe nǹkan kan. I can say emphatically that not one of these kidnappers has been jailed. The monarch consequently called for an amendment of the Nigerian Constitution, as he noted the money being spent by the state government on the improvement of the security sector is being spent in vain. Obadeyemi said, "We are the stakeholders. We partner with you. We synergize with you and spend our money to put up vigilante groups in the forest, but there is no appreciable results." It's okay. And you know, we still have some Fulani men that partner with us, and we raid the forest together. Okay. Where are the guns retrieved from the kidnappers? If you call us in private, we will advise you on how to handle the security challenges in the state. Then let them call you in private in Kini. Private kí gbogbo tó rùn kò tán ní arájẹkọrò náà. Arájẹkọrò jèrè. Ẹ lọ sí private. Ká must see action la need. We need to see action. One of the first breakthrough recorded by the Southwest governors was the creation of Amoteku Corps. Toothless dog. Amoteku has been rendered useless. However, until we have state police, the state will continue to be a puppet under the federal government of Nigeria. Until the constitution is amended, there can't be no progress as regards security matters. Okay. We can't operate an adulterated federal system of government. What we are operating today is a unitary system of government under which the state government has no power to save its people. If you arrest someone and hand them over to the police, if the Inspector General of Police calls the Commissioner of Police and orders for the release of the arrested person, the CP listens to no one else but releases the suspects. But ṣé yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀? Ṣé yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀? Lábẹ́ òfin ní tó bá jẹ́ pé ẹ̀yin náà ti sọ, you see, gbogbo wa láti mọ àti mọ bí tí kí ló ṣe báwọn lọ ṣe máa sọ kíní àti mọ bí tó wà. Ẹ bá tẹ̀sán lógún ọdún kẹ́ wí fọ́gbọ̀n oṣù constitutional amendment wọn ní ṣe state policing wọn ní faramọ́ torí Buhari is the life patron of àwọn cattle herders wọn ní faramọ́ wọn ní fẹ́ jẹ́ kẹ́ kó fi deal pẹ̀lú wọn bó ṣe tọ́ àti bó ti yẹ but that is double standard because ó bá jẹ́ pé Yorùbá ló jẹ́ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ẹ máa mú òfin máa ṣiṣẹ́ but tó bá jẹ́ criminal Fulani herdsmen òfin ò ní ṣiṣẹ́ that is I don't know ẹ dẹ̀ mọ̀ ẹ̀yin náà ṣé kò lẹ́yìn náà sọ ní fìtẹ̀fẹ̀rìn yìí òun lẹ sọ ní fìtẹ̀fẹ̀rìn yìí but tó bá ṣe àdójú ṣoṣo ṣá kò tí ì tó náà ni mẹ̀kúnnù sì lè fara dà ní tí mẹ̀kúnnù ò bá ti lè fara dà well it's good shall all the pointers yes I identify all the identifiables so but ìyẹn náà dá but the part of state policing other state policing tó fẹ́ ṣe lọ́dà Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn wọ́n ti sọ di toothless dog it has been capacitated politicized constitutional amendment bá ní restructuring no constitutional amendment tó kíní kan bí gbogbo bá fojú ọdún jó tí ó rówó mú wálé kò tún lérò lẹ́yìn ẹ jẹ́ àpé eégún ìdí kágbé gẹ̀lẹ́dẹ̀ tí a kágbé lárugẹ tẹ́ni náà ọmọ ẹni ò ṣáà lè ṣèdí bẹ́ẹ̀ ká lọ gbẹ́dẹ̀kẹ̀ sí ìdí ẹlòmíì àwa àlùtẹ́ ìjọba lé lórí náà tí ń ṣe bálabàlá yìí owó ọba ya kò ní sílùú mọ́ bí ò sílùú kò sọ́ba okay well watching in 3DD watching in 3DD so ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀yin náà ti identify pé tòótọ́ insecurity wà pé ní tòótọ́ tó bá ti mú wọn ni wọ́n ń dá wọn lẹ̀ ẹ ti identify pé constitutional amendment wọn lè rí nǹkan kan ṣe system policing wọn lè rí nǹkan kan ṣe sí so ìjọba tiwantiwa self-determination ó máa dá o so mo mọ̀ pé gradually náà ni àti identify the problem solution máa tẹ̀lé kó sí jàǹbẹ́ and ẹ má fi ṣe pé ẹ ti ṣe ti ojú táyé sí ẹ bá wá ṣe ìpàdé ìdákọ́ńkọ́ tó bá jẹ́ pé yẹn ló máa push wọn back tí táwọn olóko àfi lè lọ sóko tó lódò àfi lè lọ sódò táwọn àgbẹ̀ ò bá lọ sóko ìyàn ń bọ̀ lẹ́nu ọjọ́ wo mi bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ìyẹn nìkan lọ́tún lọ bàbá 62 lọ́tún lọ gé ọwọ́ ẹ̀ méjèèjì wọ́n sọ pé kò àtẹ́lẹwọ́ òsì kínní ọwọ́ ti di kúkúkú báyìí sí ó ti di lágbá báyìí ọ̀sán ọwọ́ bàbá yẹn ti já sí ọrùn ti dọ̀pá nígbà tí yóò bá sátẹ̀lẹ́wọ́ kí lẹ́lẹ́ni fẹ́ ṣe kó wà yá gan jẹ̀sí lọ báyìí so Well, gradually knowing. So there you have it, guys. uh, uh, a journey of 1,000 steps, a journey of 1,000 miles starts with steps. So yeah, they're taking the steps, baby steps. Okay, so there you have it. Until I come your way again.